In this video, we will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Player. The CyberPatriot competition images are run in VMware Workstation Player. While other virtualization software may work, technical support is only provided for the VMware program as specified by the CyberPatriot competition staff. VMware Fusion or newer versions of VMware Workstation Player may be used, but at the risk of incurring technical issues. To begin the installation process, you want to go to the link provided and click Download Now on the 64-bit operating system version of the software. Save the file to your computer. We are saving to our Downloads folder. And wait for the download to finish. Once it's finished, locate the file on your computer and double-click to start the installation. If prompted, select Yes to continue the installation. Once the installer application opens, you'll be prompted with a set of questions. Click Next to continue. Check the box that you accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Next on the Custom Setup window. Uncheck the two boxes and click Next. Click Next on the Shortcuts window and click Install. The installation may take a few minutes. And once the installation is complete, you can click Finish. And that is how you install VMware Workstation Player.